Hi, my name is Clara from Ellerslie Gifting Garden. We look forward to your visit to check out our variety of tropical plants and other gifts. Not only are these plants beautiful to look at, but there are many benefits to have them in your bedroom, home, or office. Plants can aid in increased focus and alertness. They can also be a form of stress relief and improve your mental health. We carry a unique variety of plants such as bonsai, citrus, large cacti, and succulent hanging baskets. We have low-maintenance plants like sansevieria, zizi, and tillandsia. We also have a large selection of small succulents and cacti. Along with our plants, we carry an assortment of pots and everything you'll need to take care of them. From our family here to yours, we hope you're staying safe and we look forward to seeing you soon.